Hi traders, it's Tomek here and welcome to the video in which I will show you the results of my student. We started together at the beginning of the year in the January. It took for us around 2 months because he participated in this shorter program. So after around 2 months, I showed him how to work with his mindset. We also cover only basic strategy on the classic charts because we don't have time to do more. And of course, together we prepare trading plan, trading journal, and also statistics file. And as you can see, here you can see his results. I was in touch with him a couple of days ago. We still have another meeting to make next summary, but after while we finish, he started to of course apply his rules, his trading strategy, and results are very good, if I can say. Because after 3 months, he was able to achieve 15%, risking mainly 0.5%. As you can see, later on he increased the risk to 1% when he became more confident with the strategy. And the winning ratio it's 50%. He, as you can see, he has 15 losing trades and winning trades. But what is the part why he get the profits? He a little bit tweaked my approach because usually I split positions to three targets, and he decided to split to two targets, and the first target is always 2 to 1. Thanks to this, he simply get more profits and lock a little bit bigger profits. Okay, so below, as you can see, those are his setups, which we of course decided together. And he just what he does is just execute his trading plan. Okay, in in March, as you can see, he get around almost 6%, in April 8%. May was less profitable because it was 0.15%, but it doesn't really matter really because in trading you never know what market will bring you. The most important part is to really execute your plan and see what exactly is happening. Thanks to this simple file, I know that they are automated tools that you can follow everything there, but here you are more aware when you really have to place trades, time frame setup, what exactly you achieved, because it helps you also to understand the whole decision making process. As you can see, he he made some mistakes here, for example. Also one mistake here, immediately some comments. So this is why we need this. Okay, so keep in mind about that. I also want to show you something interesting because here it's mainly swing trading strategy. He used some 15-minute trades, but while we speak recently, I advised him to make it separately. So make separate file for 4-hour chart and 1-hour chart, and make separate file for 15 and 5-minute if he wants to trade there. In this way, it will be much easier to see what results are using the swing trading strategy and what results he will get on the day trading strategy. And what is very important, very interesting, what I want to show you, he started to do this. As you can see, he started to monitor his day trading strategies, and I really love this trade because it's something which is achievable on the indices, especially on the US 30, if the US 30 is volatile. As you can see, he took 0.5% trade, and he he made 10% on the one trade. So basically, for some people who like to pass the challenges, this might be very interesting. Of course, it's not always like that. Also, he didn't close any targets, so he saw the setups. He entered the trade and he allowed the price to push up without closing the setups. And because US 30 is sometimes very volatile, using lower time frames, you can achieve such results. It's not often because you might also have noise which might kick you out, but Even this, if you achieve trades like that, as you can see, one trade 10% with only 0.5% risk. Okay, so, but for me, this is more important because there are only two trades for now. Here is more important because he took at least 30%. He knows his number. Right now, he can continue and improve this. And of course, we do Excel file. I recommend to do this because it helps. Like I said, it helps us to be aware of our trades. But of course, we also have to make trading journal. And as you can see, whatever he plays in the Excel file, it's also in the trading journal. As you can see, it starts from the number 18. It's only because he split the months. So he does trading journal month by month. This file is from May. So he his trade. He start the number from 18 because this is the first trade in May, as you can see. So everything is well organized. It's very difficult to be lost around this, but this is very important that you really monitor your actions, because in this way you learn. Okay, in this way you learn. As you can see, he marked the entries. He makes some comments here. This is very, very important. And you just scroll down, and as you can see, here is his mistake. Um, yes, so this is also important to understand what happened, why mistake, why you do basically mistakes. If this is just the mistakes because a misunderstanding on the charts, or really you have some behaviors that are obstacles while you trade, and you repeat those mistakes over again. So as you can see, all the entries, all the setups, most of them, I think all of them are with the trading plan. So well done, because a lot of traders have problems to follow the trading plan, even make the trading plan and really stick to it. Okay, so as you can see, all the trades are monitored here. This is exactly what you must to do if you want to achieve long-term profits in trading, especially at the beginning, to understand your numbers. Okay, because without that you will be trading blindly, and I always repeat this during my mentoring program, because simply without this, you don't know if you follow the plan. You cannot build consistency when you trade here and there. And as you can see, he explained everything: weekly, daily, 4-hour chart, and then exactly what happens on the lower time frames. Because of course, that this is basically that we do top-down approach always, even if you trade on the lower time frames. I can see right now that those results are coming from the FTMO, so probably he passed the first challenge. So well done. So I hope to see some certificate when he finally passes another challenge. So well done for that. Okay, so guys, keep in mind, this is very, very important stuff to follow. It's possible, but you really have to stick. And even if you have situations like that, okay, that it's red, it means that he had losing trades. Okay, even here you see 4 losing trades in a row. You still have to execute the trades and learn from those, even if your account is not maybe growing like that. Okay, doesn't really matter at the beginning, even if it's like on the break even. Let's say you took 30 trades, yes, and you have break even. You say, what the hell, this person is making the money, and I'm after 3 months of the break even. You always have to think in the positive way. Having break even after 30 trade, it's still good results. Why? Because you didn't lose, you didn't kill your account. Okay, maybe you are not growing the account, but at least you are not losing. So this is positive side. Yes, and also what you have to do, then you have to check what is happening with your losing trades. I also record the a video about the losing trades, and you will find the link in the description. And I hope that I managed to put it in the upper right corner about that, how losing trades can help you in trading, because in this way you can stop to make those mistakes, build conclusions, and improve what you generally make. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I also want to invite you to visit my mentorship program. Link to this website you will find below the video in the description. If you click it, then of course you will be redirecting to my website. YouTube will inform you about that, so don't worry. You will be redirected directly to this site. If you have more questions or you want to speak with me, just fill your name, leave your email, and of course we will discuss what exactly is happening in your trading, what you need from me, if of course I can help you, because maybe your needs are different. But I believe that if you follow my mentorship program, which is developed in the very simple approach. We focus on the technical part, planning part, and mindset part. I really believe that if you follow that in the long term perspective, you will achieve your results. Okay, because I have I put crucial understanding for this part, because in my opinion, this is the most important part in trading. Technical and planning part, it's not so difficult, because you can always improve while you trade, when you execute the trade. So it's only trade execution and risk management. So it's easy to learn, but still, how you do it, how you execute, if you repeat the mistakes or not, if you sabotage yourself, it all comes from the mindset, not from the technical aspect and planning part. So if you again have any questions, feel free to contact me. I will be happy to speak with you. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a great weekend. See you. Bye.